Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and I'm here to tell you about our amazing listing at 1731 Pomeroy Road in Aurora Grande. See all this land behind me? This all goes with the property. It's almost 10 acres of land, wide open space out front to do whatever you like. In fact, it has a possibility of doing a lot split. So you could sell off the front portion and have full 5 acres in the back and a stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Eshler-inspired mid-century modern with so many upgrades and updates. It is a stunning home with a gorgeous private backyard. It has an outdoor kitchen with full-size appliances, 2 fire pits. The property has owned solar, so free electricity, all in the beautiful coastal climate of Aurora Grande. Take a look at this video, and I have something to tell you at the end, so wait till the end. Did you like what you saw? Good, I'm so excited. This is an amazing property that we are so excited to share with you. And guess what? You can see it this Saturday. Amanda Barber from our team is hosting an open house at 1731 Pomeroy Road. This incredible property could be here for you to see. That is Saturday, March the 4th, 1 to 3 p.m., 1731 Pomeroy Road. Come on over to this beautiful property and take a look for yourself. You will love everything you see. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes of Keller Williams. You have a SLO Happy day.